Well, we're printing another one of these. Um, I've got a whole bunch of broken ones over here, so I like this green color, but I'm going to give up on it. So, that one, they're all broken. And the knobs are broken. Um, one of the black ones is broken too. The original one that's working fine was printed on the other printer with different settings, though. So, yeah, so anyways, I don't know if it's the material, temperature settings, um, but this one here, it was a little tough getting them in there, and I just turned them back and forth, and they, worked great. But, um, I don't know. So, I'm going to print these again. I think this is probably the original file that was used on this one, but I don't know for sure if the settings are still the same. But we got this one here. We just had to unwind it and get it perfectly straight on here, and soldered wire here, soldered wire there, and we should have 40 meters. And actually, I probably can get that done here maybe today if I get a chance to sit down and wind this thing again. And then this is our box full of stuff. So this one here, I want to put that one on the truck, and that way when I go to the store in the evening, I can jump on the radio and talk to people. I've done it before with ham sticks, but I don't like ham sticks. So this is our box full of all sorts of stuff that's been printed recently. Some of these things, it's like when they design these, I don't know if they stole it from a kite. I really think they did, because there was no regard to how thick this is right here, and that'd be really easy to break if you hang this by a string and you get it stuck in a tree. And I mean, if it was PLA, you'd definitely be in trouble. This one's a little bit better because it's thicker than all of them, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little thicker than the other ones. So, we got a dipole bracket here. So I need to put that one together for the one in the truck. And then we got a couple of the pulleys that I printed. And 101 legs, different things. So I'm just kind of like stuff that I want. I've been just putting it in there. And these I bought at the Ham Fest. So this guy here, he goes to a lot of Ham Fests in Arizona and California, and it's what's it called? Wired Communications. Yeah, over the years I've bought things from that guy a few times, and he's always got like the really good prices. But anyway, I bought these connectors. So these are for the Nano VNA, and then like that one, so I can hook a Bofang up without like having the jumper there. And then these two were for antenna projects. I think one of them will go into here for that. So anyway, so I think $1.50, and I think these are $3 or something like that. Maybe they were $1.50. Because let's see, I'm trying to think what I bought. I bought a $6 USB-C charger, like a 30-watt one, and a car one, and one was $5 and one was $6. It was 11, and then the rest of it came to like 19. So there's $8 right here, whatever the hell this all is. So I think these are 3 and 3, 6 and 3, which is 9. But anyway, the guy charged me $19 for it. You can't get these that cheap anywhere else. So anyway, or maybe these are $250. I think these were $250. So well, anyway, they'll come in handy. Meanwhile, we're waiting for this one to print, and I'm gonna, when I use this one, I'm gonna take I've got a thread thing that I can use to chase the threads before I try and do anything, and then I'm gonna look for something to chase the threads on this also. So a tap and die kind of type of deal. I don't want to print any more of these damn things. The other solution is maybe do something differently. Maybe embed a nut inside of there. I don't know. So hopefully I can get these two going in the next day or so, or today. It's got a pretty good amount of weight to it with all the hardware on it, though. So we'll try a 102-inch whip, or a whip off of a Wilson 1000 K40 type of antenna. Just see kind of how it does. I've got the MFJ collapsible whips somewhere in here. I honestly think it might be over here in my toolbox. Or it might actually be in the truck. I could even use welding rods if I really wanted to. These are, what are these? These are just regular steel. Yeah, in fact, if you need something like this, just go get these at Harbor Freight. They're super cheap compared to what you would pay for at other places. Really. I also have like some stainless steel ones down here, but you can get, just regular ones. These are a little too small. It would be fine for like, QRP or whatever, but it's too small to fit in one of the things. I don't know what I did with the other thing. Anyway, it's around here somewhere. So, I've got some rods over here that I can play around with. So, it's all about finding stuff and making it work.